How to transfer money from one bank to Capital One Bank. Firstly, start by logging into your online banking account at your current bank. Find the option to transfer funds to another bank or to an external account. You may need to provide Capital One's routing number and your account number. Once the account is verified, enter the amount you want to transfer, choose your Capital One account as the destination, and initiate the transfer. Choose the from and to accounts, frequency, the date you would like the transfer to take place, and enter the amount you'd like to transfer. You can schedule the transfer for a later date or a repeating transfer. You will also have the option to add a memo. Click or slide the Transfer button to confirm. Then your transfer will be done. Thank you so much for watching this video.